Hello, thank you guys for joining me. My name is Sharice and I'm with Widow's Cafe, and I'm just coming to you with a quick video today. I have discovered something that I think is pretty remarkable. I am a huge Starbucks fan, so I go there a couple of days a week. I was going there a couple of days a week. But I discovered a coffee ingredient that I believe is going to be a challenge for Starbucks. And what I'm talking about, and would you guys please like, subscribe, and share to my channel, Widow's Cafe. But I have discovered this creamed honey. Now, it has, if you could see on the back, it has cinnamon in the honey. And so the way I make it is I use just this instant coffee. This is just an off-store brand, so it's not even Folgers. So I use this instant coffee along with the honey, and then I pour my milk in. So I've used a whole milk, and trying to cut back on calories, I use the reduced fat milk, and it is wonderful. This is what it looks like. But I take and put in a mug like this size right here. I take and put 2 teaspoons of coffee. And I put about a 1/4 cup of water. And I put it in the microwave for about a minute. So it's very hot. So when it comes out of the microwave, then I add my cream cinnamon honey with the milk, and it is fantastic. I usually get the caramel macchiato, and this for me takes the place of caramel macchiato. So please, if you get a chance, try it and leave me a comment on how you liked it. But this has replaced my Starbucks. So the $5 a day has gone away. I hope you guys like it. Please like, subscribe, and share the video. I will see you next time. Bye-bye.